People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I've said it many times on here, and people live in America know the saying. If you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Donovan Bulbie Bennett played a very stupid game, and that's exactly what happened to him. He won a very stupid prize. Now you may be wondering to yourself, Sir P, what are you talking about? See, when I did my video, 5 Dons who passed them place and got disciplined by the system, Bulbie was one of them. And people, look over part 2 of that, right? Part 2, just to give you an example, who's going to be in part 2, Feathermap and his links to the PNP will be in part 2. That's just one of the people I'm going to invite. But anyway, after doing the video about 5 Dons past them place, a lot of people are asking me about Bulbie. Bulbie is an interesting character to the people of Jamaica. There are some people who people constantly message me and ask me about. Bulbie, Willie Agat, Todos, these are the people who people message me the most and ask me about. Willie Agat is probably number one on the list, right? Now, I'm going to tell you how Bulbie lose his life, right? But you've probably heard the mainstream version, and it's accurate, but there's a bigger piece to the puzzle. When you look at the thumbnail for this video, you saw a lovely woman, a beautiful black woman, Olivia Babsy Grange, with a nice pretty smile. You might be wondering to yourself, what does Babsy Grange have to do with Bulbie losing his life? People, this video again is going to be a lesson. And by saying I don't make videos about criminals to just talk about criminals. There's always a bigger story and a bigger picture. I'm going to show you how at the end of the day, PNP and JLP still take side with each other over any criminal, even if that criminal is loyal to them. People, let's go back to how Bulbie lose his life. Now, as you know, Bulbie was the big boss for Klansman, the biggest boss. Bulbie was far bigger than Tesha Miller, and Bulbie actually had Klansman as one unit. Tesha Miller, by the time he became done, Klansman started to fall apart, especially when he went behind bars. Tesha Miller simply didn't have the clout and the respect that Bulbie had, right? Not just amongst his fellow 87s who worked for him, but also amongst the political elite. Bulbie was heavy into the politics, deep, right? Deep embedded with the PNP, right? Now, people, let me jog your memory. You may remember an incident where Olivia Babsy Grange was traveling in a car and some Klansman shoot up the car. You by the name of Tikaros end up losing life. See, that ops right there was ordered by Bulbie, right? Babsy Grange was coming back from the time I used to keep some up a full peace meeting, which in my opinion were a bunch of gimmicks, right? But anyway, they used to keep some like a gimmick peace meeting, and Babsy Grange was traveling in a car with none other than the farmer Don for one other, Bunman. But there was also another youth there, Tikaros, who was a top man in one other, right? Tikaros ended up losing his life. But that's not why that incident was so shocking. That incident was shocking because the man them engaged the car and the motorcade that a long-standing, very powerful member of parliament was in. The man them shoot up Babsy Grange motorcade, right? Babsy Grange is one of the most powerful females in Jamaican politics, right? One of the most powerful politicians, period, right? See, when Bulbie get a hit, according to Klansman, them never know say Babsy Grange was going to be in the car, because I guess their argument is, well, who the hell would expect say an MP would be traveling with a Don? I mean, I see where they're coming from, right? If you get given a hit to go shoot up a man, and you say the man is a top man and one other, I guess you wouldn't be expecting to find a senior politician in the car. Anyway, the man go shoot at the motorcade, kill Tikaros. See, that was the moment that triggered the chain of events that led to Donovan Bulbie Bennett losing his life. Again, you might be wondering, so what? Babsy Grange a JLP. Donovan Bulbie Bennett was big PNP. Why would the PNP care? Well, it's simple. Listen, no criminal comes before a fellow politician, even if that politician is on the other side. People, you see, after Babsy Grange motorcade shoot up, and the people them, and I say people I mean politicians, convene and start talk. Yo, what that only just make on look a loose cannon. On look a loose cannon while done Bulbie pull off a while ago. Do you realize how stupid that move was? See, JLP and PNP both agreed that it was an act of lunacy. Bulbie had gone too far. This is how Bulbie ended up being reprimanded, so to say, by the then Minister of National Security. This is why people get the argument. This is why people say, oh, well, me and Bulbie dissed Peter Phillips and that's why I'm dead. Yes, he did. But people make it sound like a desperate start, as if Peter Phillips was just talking to Bulbie about who better, Pele or Maradona, and Bulbie get vexed and jump up and violate Peter Phillips. No. He was being reprimanded because of the stunt when pull off involving Babsy and the motorcade. Not because Tickerus didn't. Nobody knows about Tickerus, right? At that level. It's because Babsy was there, and that right there is elite politics. That is a game that is dangerous to play, even for a Don as big and powerful as Bulbie. Even for Bulbie. Shooting after a motorcade with a current MP, especially one as influential as Babsy Grange, he had to be reprimanded. But Bulbie, being Bulbie, arrogant as ever, can't tell me nothing. Do you know who I am? Violate Peter Phillips. This is how Bulbie, again, went down the path of destruction. And the man who was wanted from 1995 officially. And I say officially because even though them claims that he was wanted, Bulbie la walk up and down. Bulbie va De La Vega City, walk up and down all about. So when you say Bulbie wanted, it's not real wanted. It's not like how Preke boy them wanted. Them if you hide in a bush and I eat dirt. No. Bulbie walk up and down, normal. Police know him there. PNP know him there, JLP know him there. But at the time, he was still in favor. It was the Babsy Grange incident that triggered the moments that led up to the Peter Phillips diss. That led up to the moment where the orders was given that Donovan Bulbie Bennett had to go. Now, the operation for mash up Bulbie, it involved the elite members of the JDF unit, right? I don't know if people know the JDF as an elite unit, right? Named CTAG, right? They are the ones who carried out that mission. Now, you're not going to find much information about CTAG online. That is the way it's supposed to be. That is the way it will remain. But when them go for Bulbie along with Kingfish, they were brief at the last minute because I saw them think they work. Those elite units, especially when you go for somebody like Bulbie, you can't just tell everybody, say, yo, next week we go for Bulbie, because they might start leak like a water commission pipe, right? So at the very last minute, they got the word, say, a Bulbie them a go for, and where he was. Now, of course, them go down to the bush, go back up on Bulbie. You've read in the papers that there was some kind of almighty shootout. Yeah, we know how that go already, right? Let's just say Bulbie was never going to make it out of the bush alive, right? Him and his bodyguard / driver were dealt a very harsh hand, right? And of course, I don't know who believes that Donovan Bulbie Bennett they'll go try to take on a bunch of CTAG JDF members in some bush with us him and one man, right? People, come on now. Come on. Bulbie was arrogant, but he ain't that stupid, right? As I said, Bulbie was never going to come out of that bush alive. Never. So, people, the example I want to show to you is that a lot of 87s, a lot of 90s who link with certain politicians think say, oh, because my link strong and I me give them this and I me give them that. If push come to shove, them a go back me. No. There's a certain level of politics that's bigger than even era than business. When you go into that level, when you start to threaten certain people in the establishment, when you make Olivia Babsy Grange get nervous and cold sweat wash her, trust me, your mother will shed tears. If you make somebody of that stature in Jamaican politics get freed and have to deal with gunshot, can you imagine an MP if you had duck and a dive from gunshot? No, not even Bulbie could have got away with that one. So I know a lot of people know about the story of him violating the security minister, yes, but understand what led up to it, right? It was the stunt with them pull off on Babsy Grange, right, that led to that. As a matter of fact, the look 87 who actually did the shooting, he ended up getting taken out by the same Klansman then. The same Klansman then ended up taking him out. Because that's how the system works, right? Because at this point the pressure was great, right? They were under pressure, not just from one another for the stunt to them pull, right? But the security forces, PNP, JLP, everybody was on them back. Them end up take over the same clans you to do it under Sykes. Because of them think they work. In a badness, your friend them take you out under Sykes. So people, as I said, understand the message. No matter who you are, no matter how much done you want to be, once you challenge and threaten and intimidate and put certain people's life in a danger, you're going down. You can murder 100,000 poor people all they want. They can shoot up the whole of St. Catherine and St. James. They can burn down all of St. Thomas. But the day you make a top politician feel nervous and gets put in harm's way, done or no done, your spot down a Dovecat shall be secured. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.